Good morning.
Good morning.
This alabaster stone has the three colors of alabaster: white, the honey brown, and the green one. The stone located behind the mountain after Walid the king, still using camel and donkey. Honestly, the first man is the playmaker. What he do? He looked the rock and decide what will be made: a vase, ashes, static fish, obelisk. Sometimes he still on pieces or cutting like the side. Who can hold it? You? Be careful. Don't break it. If you break it, she marry me.
At least it's proposing.
I don't have camera. Give her Ferrari. Good. You want Ferrari? You marry me also? You see the big difference between the beginning and the end. After finish, you can hold it by 2 fingers. Honestly, we should step by step. He's covered outside completely, like that. What he using? Cotton clothes and glue and linen. After covering, leave it under the sun couple of days solid. Then he bring it, put the ground, bring it all inside. How he starts by smaller, then it's bigger, or 3 or 4 like that. If Arabian Museum Cairo, you found same tool like that. The ancient used of bronze with the copper, now using steel. Look how open. When he finished, cut the clothes out. You know why he covered outside? Stop the crack, make a hole, doesn't break it. Polish for smooth, different fighting, different man. It's smooth again, very soft, stone by stone. The stone, the upper leg is still using for hands and feet. What do you call it? Anybody need it?
Yeah.
Sit down. We call it sandstone. Then leave it on oven for 10 minutes to 150 degrees, polished by wax. This is a handmade alabaster. How heavy now?
I didn't do that.
Nothing. You can hold it, everybody.
Very, very light.
Excuse me. The all area make it alabaster by hand, you need it with span. It is everywhere needed, but you must be careful. It's a fake one, machine made. Bit different. You can get everywhere needed. But the only area make it alabaster. A lot of people come to places to trade the handmade. You don't get it from market. This you can get everywhere needed. You hold it at the beginning. Okay, this is all about the people doing here, alabaster. Inside, many sections by hand, but different like basalt, granite, limestone, soapstone. Excuse me, before you come to place, you must be careful what you get from the market people. So much pushing, so much hustle. And then how do you know if you get really or not really? We'll go inside and show everything. No hustle, no push for shopping. Follow me, please. Everybody.
Okay.
Excuse me. Just another information for 2 minutes. Egyptian times. You're on vacation. Will be 20 minutes. This section is make it outside by hand. Remember how many colors you outside?
3.
I know the best you can see on the light is a white color reaction.
Beautiful.
The honey brown. Black, green, luster. Come here, there's still some secret inside. What do you hear?
Buy me.
What do you hear? Everybody, please, if you take alabaster by hand, don't put water.
Oh, no water.
I know somebody like vase of flowers.
Yeah.
If you like do that, first you put the glass with the plastic, then you can't hold water. My favorite like ancient using candle, tea light, electric light, oil. Okay? Just all by hand like amber, turquoise, malachite, lapislazuli, white alabaster, granite, basalt pieces from 300 pounds for 20 Egyptian pounds. You know why?
They're not handmade plastic.
No, it's a resin.
Yeah.
Some people hold the stuff like this with a newspaper. Don't touch, don't take it.
Paper mache.
Plastic.
Plaster.
What was the
That's what I bought.
The real stone is a volcanic. The color never come out. When you break. A few weeks ago, somebody broke my head here. Everybody who does. You know who does? Yes, which one?
Maybe number 4.
No, the bad one.
The bad one.
Okay, closer please. You know about the lava cat here?
Cat?
Yes.
Oh, we have a cat lady. Where's our cat lady?
Who's cat lady?
Yes, cats.
You love cat? Happy birthday to you. Shukran. Please, this section not 100% stone. Honestly. You see the dust alabaster style? Glued to those phosphor. Now, I choose the last section here. Sharp, sharp.
But you can't put
Closer, please.
sorry.
This section we say antique. What's the meaning antique in your mind?
Very
Oh.
old. Very old.
How old? 50, 60?
Oh, 1,000.
1,000? No. Antique in Egypt here more than 1,000. This is made by musician family, like second generation or first generation. We say high copy. If you're interested, I'm saying high quality. Antique, not unequal inside. Anything for sale if you buy. What are you do? You look around, want to go sell, collect what you want, ask about the price. The place here when you're shopping, accept any kind of money. You don't bring cash money, accept any credit card without extra charge. We wrap it by bubble. If anybody would like holding a saying, easy to ship to you, door to door insurance, please. The